Confused by all the Bitcoin buzz? Here's the beginner's guide you actually need. Imagine Bitcoin as digital gold. It's a new kind of money, completely online, no banks needed. Instead of printing bills, Bitcoin exists on a giant global spreadsheet called the blockchain. Every single transaction is recorded for all to see. No erasing, no cheating. Think of it like sending an email, but instead of a message, you're sending value. Anyone with a Bitcoin wallet, like a digital mailbox, can send or receive it anytime, anywhere. But here's the catch, it's super volatile. Prices can swing wildly, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. So why do people care? Bitcoin promises fast transfers, lower fees, and more control over your own money. Some see it as the future of finance, others just a risky bet. Start small, stay curious, and always do your homework. Bitcoin's not magic, but now it's not a mystery either.